Here's how to set up SMTP for outgoing emails on Registration Magic in a few minutes. Go to Registration Magic and then Global Settings. In the Global Setting menu, go to Email Configuration. This is how the email configuration dashboard looks like. You will notice there are two options in the Outgoing Emails handler. Select the User External SMTP. Now if you are using a Gmail account, specify the SMTP host as smtp.gmail.com. For the encryption type, there are two given options, TLS and SSL. If you choose SSL, then the SMTP port number for SSL encryption type is 465. If you choose TLS, then the SMTP port number for TLS encryption type is 587. In the Sender's Email tab, write down the email address from which you want to send all the mails. Turn on the Authentication checkbox. Now for this step, go to your Google account, open Security, and complete the two-step verification process. After completing the verification process, go to App Passwords and create a password for using it in SMTP. Come back to Email Configuration Dashboard, and enter the username, that is your email address, and enter the password that you have created in the App Passwords section. Now, put an email address in the Email Address for Testing tab to test if all the credentials are correct and the outgoing messages are working, and click on Test Email. We can see a message stating the test email has been successfully sent by SMTP Relay using the details you're provided. Let's check if we have received the mail in our inbox. We have received the test mail, so this means that all the information we entered in the user external SMTP is correct. Simple, isn't it? Please like, share, and subscribe.